In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a logo on Canva for your Shopify store, a full guide from start to finish. If you're looking to give your store a fresh brand identity or launch one from the ground up, creating a logo is a great place to start. Logos are not just symbols, they're the face of your brand, often the first encounter someone has with your business. So let's get it right. We'll begin by heading over to Canva. If you don't have an account yet, make sure to sign up, though it's likely that many of you already do. Once you're logged in, you have two paths to take. You can either begin with a blank canvas or take inspiration from the multitude of templates already available there. Choosing a template can be particularly helpful if you're looking to save time or need some creative inspiration to get started. Either way, remember to keep your brand colors, style, and identity in mind while crafting your design. This will help to maintain brand consistency and ensure that your logo resonates well with your audience. Once satisfied with your design, proceed to download your logo. Canva offers various formats, but I recommend choosing a high-resolution file type like PNG to maintain quality, especially if you plan to use this logo in multiple places. Now that you have your logo saved on your device, it's time to jump over to your Shopify store. Log into your Shopify account and look for the online store section in the sidebar, which usually has all the components related to your store's appearance. After clicking Online Store, find and click on Themes. This will bring you to the Themes panel, where you can see the current theme your store uses. Next, click Customize on your current theme. This will open the site editor, a powerful tool that lets you modify how everything on your site looks. It's like working on a stage where your products are the actors, ready to impress your audience. Once in the site editor, direct your attention to the left panel. You're looking for the theme settings icon, which will house all of the customizable aspects of your store's theme. Click on it, and among the various sections, you'll find Logo. This is where the magic happens. Choose the Upload option to bring in the logo you created on Canva. By uploading your logo here, you ensure that it appears consistently across your website, instantly giving your store a touch of professionalism and cohesiveness. And just like that, you've successfully integrated your new logo into your Shopify store, reinforcing your store's brand identity. This straightforward process not only empowers you in your brand journey, but also ensures that your store stands out in the bustling market space. Remember, a memorable logo can be a strong ally in making your brand unforgettable. Thanks for following along, and happy branding.